evening, I'm going to tackle about stewardship. Stewardship is the proper management of your life and possession. In the Bible, a steward was a person who managed the household affairs of his wealthy employer. We are responsible as God's stewards to properly manage the things He has given to us. Stewardship may be more important than you think. When Malachi confronted God's people with the fact that they weren't giving God suitable offering, He didn't call them poor steward, even though that's what they were. Rather, He strongly stated that they were robbing God. The prophet also made it clear that good stewardship shouldn't be perceived as a poor or an unpleasant option. God challenges us to manage our possession properly so we can see what He is willing to do for us. In what ways can you begin to use some of what you own, time, money, possession for God? Are you willing to increase your commitment to stewardship long enough to get God demonstrate what He is willing to do for you? Brothers and sisters in the Lord, be a good steward. Good evening. Thank you.